Assalamualaikum. Dear viewers, in this video you will learn that how to import a PDF file in AutoCAD. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe for more such informative videos. So in order to import a PDF file to AutoCAD, so you can go to the insert and then click on this import PDF options, and you can select any file or PDF to import to the AutoCAD as per your desire, and also you can simply click on this drop down button on the quick access toolbar, and from here you can click on the import and then click on the PDF. So in this video we will import this file which is available on the desktop, is the architecture drawing, and it contains different pages, but we will only import one page of this PDF file. So let's start. We will click on here in the insert tab on the PDF import, or we'll click here and we'll click on the import. In import we will click on the PDF. So now here a window will open. As you can see, and we will go to the desktop, and in desktop we will select this PDF file of architectural PDF, and we click on open, and then we will select our desired page. So we want to import this page, so we will select and then we will click on OK. So now you can see the PDF file has been imported to the AutoCAD, which is this one, and now you can play with this in AutoCAD to do any desired editing. So this was all about that, how to import a PDF file in AutoCAD. So if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section, and thank you for watching this video.